Some people think that it's up to you to do all the work. They think they're going to show up, lie back, have a nap, and presto-chango. That's not hypnosis. That's magic. So during the intake process, you need to assess the client's expectations for the healing process. This fix me attitude is a social problem. We have been encultured with it, so it's not the client's fault. They're not being difficult, it's just what they've learned. The problem is it won't get them what they need. It's not like they're dropping off the car to get the brakes fixed. That old model of the mind as a machine is outdated, and it contributes to shame and vulnerability and dependency. We want to put an end to those things. That's the best way to heal the world. Every problem a person brings to you is rooted in some kind of past experience, and the cause of the problem is always going to be unique to that individual. So you won't know what it is, and you can't treat it with a one-size-fits-all approach. Pills and protocols need to be customized to the client to have effect. Dr. Gerd Hammer of the German New Medicine says every symptom is the result of a life experience and it serves a biological purpose. This biological purpose he refers to is the subconscious mind's prime directive, which is to ensure our survival. The subconscious mind always has a very good reason for doing what it's doing, even if you don't like what it's doing. Your job as a healer is to respect that and recognize that you're dealing with a whole person. They're not broken, so you can't fix them.